Hey, yeah, how you feeling? How you been? Yeah, you sent the title, you saw the title right, and that's on period. Yeah. So I'm here to teach you another thing. Like, yeah, because I know you have having troubles like making your girl like squirt and all this shit. Like, what? This is 2024, about to go to 2020. Like, what are you doing? Like, what? Like, they haven't been making sense. Like, what? Like, let's be for real. Like, how come? There's difference between you don't want to and there's difference between she does not want to. Yeah, but I know like some of you that can do that, like you have be feeling so proud of yourself, and congratulations. Now I'm talking to people that do not know how to make that girlfriend like squirt, that women squirt. Yeah, exactly. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And yeah, and yeah, we're about to get to 500. Like, what? Okay. Anyways, let's get into the video. Yeah. So, first of all, listen, guy, wash your hands. Like, wash your hands. Please, please wash your hands. Thank you. Number two, I don't know, like some people be using two hand like this, and some people be using like this. So I don't know which hand you're using, but I'm using this, so it will be easy for you guys. If you can see, I'm using this end, so you'll be able to understand. Okay, yeah. So these ends, yeah, I can see. Don't tell me, oh, Rachel, I can't see that hand. Yeah. So wash your hands clean, and clean your hands, please. Take your two ends, put it in a bowl. Please. But I don't want to say too much words. I can't, but I don't want my video taken down. So y'all should understand. Please understand me. So you take two ends, put it inside, it. Then, like, let it go in. Like, once you are like here, yeah, and that should mean you are inside, like inside, way in. Then you put your hands up, like just this ends up like this. Okay, take it up. Like there's a wall. Like, not me explaining like how see yeah, I know, because I'm telling you to know what you're doing. Okay, so anyways, take this. There's a wall up. Yeah, exactly. Then you keep doing like tapping that girl. Keep tapping, and like the feel it first, so you understand what I'm trying to say. Feel it first. Like once you put your hands, it will be like hard but not hard, like hard and soft. So that's on that. So once you start doing this in you know what, then you notice, yeah, like that will make a difference, like difference. Like it will get very very extremely hard, just like your dick. Yeah, so it will get extremely hard. Then you keep going, don't stop. Listen, don't stop if you want to make alcohol. And FYI, like some people come faster than others. Like if this is our first time, let her know what you're doing. Let like put her through everything, because it's gonna like hurt her a little bit, and she would want you to explain to her, like, nigga, explain. Like, what the fuck you doing to me if it's me, bro? Explain what you're doing. Okay? Yeah, so like put her through what you're doing so she would not feel uncomfortable. Tell her, like, you have to not tell her, like, nigga, you have to tell her that, listen, this is what I want to do. This is what I want us to like experiment or experience. I don't know. So it's gonna hurt a little bit, because it will hurt a little bit. Yeah, for the new people, for the people that are used to it. Yeah. Anyways, so like put her through the process, because it's gonna hurt. So I digress. So once you've gotten like to the state that she's hard, like, don't stop. Like, literally, do not stop. Like, keep going, but this time around, don't go slow like the way you were before, like the way you were like tapping. Like, this time around, you have to tap fast, like extremely fast. And I don't know, y'all be doing something like this. Yeah, if I can't do it, but y'all should, like, I can, but I'm more fast with it. You know. So you take your hands, keep doing it fast, like extremely fast now, because yeah, you know, you want her to come, like, and she will feel like she wants to be. And I won't lie, most of us, like girls, like, I don't know, like, we feel it's somehow to us. Yeah, like me feeling like I want to pee, and we don't like that. So like, just assure her, like, it's cool, like, do you and stuff like that, and she's gonna come like easy. Like, let her feel comfortable, like comfortable, if you know what I mean. Like, tell her it's fine, you can do this, and she will. As nigga, if you don't tell her that it's fine, and she won't. Like, there's nothing you can do. She won't. Most especially girls that they don't want to do it. They won't. Okay? Yeah. So I keep doing that, and like keep touching her. Keep like using your hands to do that, and keep touching her like romantically. Like, keep kissing her, keep touching her, and all this good stuff. Then she will like squirt, like literally. That shit looks like water, like water and coming out from your vagina. You know, yeah, it looks like water coming out from your pussy. And listen, that bitch is, sorry, I don't want to call bitch. She's going like everyone have different like reaction. If it's her first time, she's going to feel like laughing and crying. Yeah. But if she's used to it, nigga, she's gonna laugh. But if it's your own first time, I know you'll feel like a king, because that's the main purpose of you making her come. Like, you want to feel like, oh, you got this. You, I'm the man. Yeah. So if you want to feel you're the man in the relationship, try doing that to her, and I'm certain, like, you will be the man. And because she will want to come back, like next day she'll be like, yo, where are you? Like, come around, come. Yeah. So Anyways, this is the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video because we're on our way to 500, and I'll be dropping some good stuff now. Like, we are unlocking the inner chick, if you know what I mean. So stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Send to your friends, send to your sister, send to everybody you know, guys. Your girl is going up there. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.